Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed about phrase and clause, and I have given some exercises. Here we will check the exercise and understand it. So you have to find out here the phrase and clause. Do you remember what is phrase and clause? What is phrase? Phrase is a group of words which have some meaning but not complete meaning. And what is clause? Clause is also group of words but it has its own subject and predicate. Now what is the basic difference between phrase and clause? If you observe the exercise or if you observe all sentences of phrase and clause, you can find the difference between them, that most of the clauses starts with relative pronoun. That is the basic difference. Most of, not all, but most of the clauses starts with relative pronoun. હવે જો તમને relative pronoun ખબર હોય તો તમે ઇઝીલી ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરી શકો ક્લોઝ. ઓકે, સો ઇફ યુ ડોન્ટ રિમેમ્બર રિલેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન્સ ધેન રાઇટ ડાઉન વિથ પેન્સિલ. આ જ બુકની અંદર પેન્સિલથી નોટ ડાઉન કરી લો વિચ આર રિલેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન્સ. સો રાઇટ ડાઉન વોટ, વર, વાય, which, who, when, that. These all are relative pronouns. Repeat again. What, where, why, which, who, when, that. All are relative pronouns. હવે that is the basic difference. Now see the exercise. હવે આનાથી જે સ્ટાર્ટ થતા હોય એ બધા શું છે? ક્લોઝ. આ રિલેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન્સથી જે સ્ટાર્ટ થશે ધીઝ ઓલ આર ક્લોઝ. ઓકે, ઓલ રિલેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન્સ બીકેમ ધેર સબ્જેક્ટ. રિલેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન શું બનશે? ક્લોઝમાં સબ્જેક્ટ બનશે. એન્ડ અધર વર્ડ્સ આર ધેર પ્રેડિકેટ. બીજા જે વર્ડ્સ હશે એ પ્રેડિકેટ હશે. ઓકે, નાઉ સી ધ exercise. Here you can see the italic word in all the sentences which I have underlined. Okay, so you have to find down that if they are phrase or clause. So see the first sentence, Neha sang a lovely song. A lovely song is a phrase. Here no subject, no predicate, so it is phrase. It is group of word. It has some meaning but not complete meaning. A lovely song, but what? Neha sang a lovely song. So a lovely song is a group of word. It has not complete meaning. It is a phrase. Now see the second sentence. Now how to write the answers? કેવી રીતે આન્સર લખશો? At first copy the sentence, then in next line write down the italic word. જે ઇટાલિક વર્ડ છે જેની નીચે મેં અંડરલાઇન કરી છે એ વર્ડ નેક્સ્ટ લાઇનમાં લખો. દેન ડેશ કરો. દેન રાઇટ ડાઉન ઇધર ઇટ ઇઝ ફ્રેઝ ઓર ક્લોઝ. ઓકે, ફ્રેઝ હોય તો ડેશ કરીને ફ્રેઝ લખો એન્ડ ક્લોઝ હોય ત્યાં ડેશ કરીને ક્લોઝ લખવાનું. ઓકે, નાઉ સી ધ સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ, I should hate to tell lies. So at first copy the sentence, I should hate to tell lies. Copy the sentence, then in next line, to tell lies. So copy this group of word, to tell lies, then dash. And what is it? Is it a phrase or clause? It is phrase. Okay, now see the third sentence, I do not know what he wants. What is relative pronoun? What is relative pronoun? It is a subject and he wants become a predicate. So what he wants is a clause. What he wants is a clause. Now see the fourth one. Do you know where he lives? Where he lives. So where is relative pronoun. It is a subject and he lives become predicate. So where he lives group of word is close. Okay. Now fifth one. Do you enjoy watching movies? Watching movies. It is a group of word only. It has some meaning but not complete meaning. So it is phrase and not clause. Okay. Watching movie is a phrase. Now see sixth sentence. That you have told a lie hurts me. That you have told a lie. That. See that. This group of word starts with relative pronoun. So is it phrase or clause? Very good. It is clause. Now seventh sentence. Indian people are very cordial. Indian people. It is phrase. Very good. No one knows why Raj left his house. Now see this group of words starts with why. Why is relative pronoun. So is it clause or phrase? It is clause. Okay. Why become a subject and Raj left his house is predicate. So it is clause. Have you ever seen a white elephant? A white elephant. It is phrase. Going out in the rain did her no good. So going out in the rain is a phrase. Plants with red rose surround her house. So plants with red rose is a phrase. Now see 12th number sentence. Have you read the story of Dr. Kalam's life? The story of Dr. Kalam's life. It is phrase. Now 13th. His father wanted him to be an engineer. Him to be an engineer. It is a group of word. It has some meaning but not complete meaning. So it is phrase. Okay. Now 14th sentence. Early to bed and early to rise is good for health. Early to bed and early to rise. This is phrase. The chair with a broken leg is laying in the hall with a broken leg. It is phrase. God. Now see the second exercise. First sentence. God is in everything. In everything. It is phrase. Ask if he is at home. Here, if he is at home. If is a subject and he is at home. It is a predicate. So what is it? Phrase or clause? It is clause. If he is at home. Here no relative pronoun is used but if is become a subject. If એશું બનશે subject. What is subject? આપણે જેના વિશે વાત કરતા હોય. આ સેન્ટેન્સમાં આપણે શેના વિશે વાત કરતા છે? આસ્ક. કંઈક પૂછવાનું છે. શું? તો if. આ સેન્ટેન્સની અંદર આ if એ કન્ડિશન મૂકી છે. બરોબર? And we are talking about that condition also. So if is a subject. So if become a subject and he is at home. A predicate છે. So it is if he is at home is clause. Now see the third sentence. Life is what we make it. Here what we make it. The group of word which starts with relative pronoun what and it become a subject and we make it is a predicate. So this is close. Now see the fourth one. Raman enjoys playing cards. Playing cards, it is a phrase. Group of word, no subject, no predicate. It is a phrase. I know the place of her birth. Of her birth. It is a phrase. Ashoka was a king without fear. Sixth sentence. Ashoka was a king without fear. Without fear is a phrase. Now seventh one. Devi loves to paint her thoughts. To paint her thoughts. These are phrase. Now eighth one. He said that he would go abroad. Here this group of words starts with that relative pronoun. So what is it? Is it phrase or clause? Very good. It is clause. That become a subject and he would go abroad is a predicate, so it is clause. Now ninth one. She answered in a rude manner. In a rude manner is phrase. Now tenth one. My belief is that she is not guilty. That she is not guilty. This group of words starts with that. That is relative pronoun, so it is clause. Now 11th one. Tell me where you found this wallet. Tell me where you found this wallet. Now see, this group of word also starts with where and it is relative pronoun. So phrase or clause, write down yourself. Okay, I hope you understand now. Where is a relative pronoun. So phrase or clause, it is clause. Very good. Now 12th. Why she deceived you is a mystery. Why she deceived you is a mystery. Here also group of words starts with why. Why is relative pronoun. So it is clause. બધા મોસ્ટલી ક્લોઝ એનાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય? રિલેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન્સથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય. which, what, were, why, who, that, when. આવા વર્ડ્સથી જે સ્ટાર્ટ થાય they are relative pronoun and they are clause. એને શું કહેવાશે? clause. Now see the 13th sentence. He has done deeds of great heroism. Deeds of great heroism is a phrase. They returned home when the sun set. See, when. When is a relative pronoun and it is phrase or clause. Write down. Okay, now 15th one. I hope you understand. Now write down 14th number sentence of your own. જાતે જ લખો. Now 15th last sentence. An honorable man is trusted everywhere. An honorable man is a phrase. Okay, I hope you all understand. Now take care. Bye bye.